In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Evening Star, Bearish, Quick and Easy Guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add the Evening Star Bearish pattern to your Tradingview chart so you can spot potential reversals more confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is up and running, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually labeled Indicators and sits above your chart area. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel, where you can search for all the built-in tools and community scripts that Tradingview offers. With the Indicators panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word STAR. Typing a keyword is the fastest way to narrow down the list of available indicators so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results and show you all indicators related to that term. Among the search results, look for the one called Evening Star Bearish. This is a candlestick pattern indicator designed to highlight the classic Evening Star bearish formation on your chart. The Evening Star is typically a 3-candle pattern that can signal a potential shift from an uptrend to a downtrend, so it's useful for traders who want to identify possible reversal zones. Once you see Evening Star Bearish in the list, move your cursor over it and click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. You should now see markings or labels on your chart wherever the Evening Star Bearish pattern appears. If you want to fine-tune how it looks, you can hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart, click the settings icon, and adjust colors, styles, or visibility according to your preference. This makes it easier to integrate with other tools you might already be using, such as support and resistance levels or moving averages. Finally, if you're interested in unlocking more features on Tradingview, like additional indicators, alerts, or more chart layouts, check out the affiliate link in the video description for Tradingview Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it gives you access to a more powerful charting experience while you continue learning patterns like the Evening Star Bearish.